What is your name?
I'm Irma Ordinanista Balaya.
Okay, so what is your age?
I'm 38 years old.
Which year were you born?
1976.
Okay, so do you have a valid work permit and HK identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you smoke?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn more salary than my work before.
Okay, so what is your hometown?
Misamis Oriental.
What is your level of education?
College level.
Okay, so are you married or single?
I'm married.
Do you have any children?
Yeah.
How old are they?
16, 14, and 12 years old.
Okay, so who take care of them?
The father.
Okay, so how many people are in your family? Do you have any brothers and sisters?
No, just 4. My kids and my husband.
Okay, so are your parents alive?
Only my mom.
Do you have any financial commitments to support any or all of them?
Yeah, all of them.
Okay, so if they fall sick, who can take care of them?
The father of my kids.
Okay, so do you have any debt either here or in your home country?
No.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
No.
Okay, so how many years of experience do you have?
2 years in abroad.
Okay, so do you have any allergies for food, drugs, and detergent?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employers?
Just be patient and talk to them nicely.
Okay, so do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Not all day off, but it depends upon the situation if it is needed.
Okay, so in your last place of employment, were both employers working?
No.
Okay, so was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Just taking care of an old woman.
Okay, so how many hours each day do you work?
10 hours.
Do you have any first aid certificate?
No.
Okay, so are you willing to attend a course?
Yeah, I'm willing.
Okay, so if ever my child will be burned in the hand of the iron, what would you do?
I put some ointment, burn ointment.
Okay, so if my son was very naughty when you were babysitting him, how would you do? How would you discipline him?
You just talk to them and motivate it nicely.
Okay, so are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, if it is needed.
Okay, so can you cook?
No.
Okay, so but are you willing to learn to cook Chinese and vegetarian food?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you like to do in your spare time?
Singing.
Okay, so do you have any message to the employer?
Have a nice day, ma'am, sir. I am willing to learn some works that beyond my experience. Because I'm a caregiver, so I'm trying my best. Thank you.
Okay, so can you please recite or sing one nursery rhyme?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.